Hello everyone, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video in YouTube. So today I am just gonna show you what's inside in this refrigerator. So let's start from the top shelves. We have the eggs on this side. This is Travis' egg, and this is my kind of egg. And then I have a leftover here from last night, the pinda sauce. And then on the back, I have my coconut. Hello, summertime's coming up. And then I have my Mindful. That's a plant-based protein chicken, sort of. And then a quail eggs at the bottom. And then we have the berries here. This is my favorite berries. This is called golden berries. It's from Colombia, Hola. And then Travis likes the black raspberry. And I like, also we both like the blueberries. So this side, this is all Travis plant-based non-dairy yogurt. So what I did is like the expiration of this one right here in the front would be on the 29th of June. So this is the sooner, and then the one in the back would expire in July. So, and then this crisper, I have some tofu in there. I have some Lost jalapeno here. And then I have some Smart Dogs here, which is vegan. And then I have some cheddar cheese here. I thought of making spaghetti, and then so there. And then there's this mystery thing here. It must be from an old expiration. I don't know what's in here actually. Oh my god, this is from Lisa Caldo. Look at this, Lisa Caldo. It's still alive. This is scones that was given to me. Oh my god. I have to like probably get rid of that. And then I have tofu down here. I have another meatless strip. It's called corn. I highly recommend this if you're not meat eater. A leftover cheese. And then at the back, I actually have strawberry there. You can see. I kept the strawberry at the back because I will make a smoothie tomorrow. And that will be gone. And then this are Travis's meal. He likes purple carrot. I don't like this personally because there's a lot of plastic, and like I don't like how they package it. And there's even tomatoes in there, which is not supposed to be in the refrigerator, but since it came in one package, so I just left it there. And then I have this mango salsa here that I haven't tried yet. And then another container there for okra. A leftover salad right there. Leftover salad, tomatoes, I'm gonna eat that later. And then a leftover cake from the birthday cake. And then this leftover salad with corn. Lisa Caldo made this. I actually want to make a video of this one. And then I have the water here. I always put water in front because most of the time when you open the fridge or when you're thirsty, I like it to have it ready with me so I can just drink it. There you go. And then more greens. I have the Brussels sprouts here. I have a chopped salad there. I have collard greens, more salad in there, and then the baby spinach. So I eat a lot of greens, especially for dinner. And then down here, there is a leftover sweet potato. Have some scallions. What's in the back? It's Travis kiwi. He eats that for late night before he goes to bed. And then I have some corn corns, and then another package from Purple Carrot. This is one of the meals. Like, everything is in there, you just need to cook it. And this one here, it's called Field Roast. I highly recommend that. You can get that in most natural grocery store or Whole Foods or any healthy food. And then I have spinach here, carb down 7. I like to eat flatbread sometimes. And then I bought some green grapes, which I will be eating for later, for the weekend. And then we have Cool Whip over there, Cocoa Whip. This is not mine. I don't eat this, but Travis loves that one. That's his thing. I have a cheese there that I had, a cheese plate. I put it in the back because that will expire on September, so that's still good. So in case I would miss it, it's just in there. And then in the crisper, I have my favorite ingredient, which is the green long pepper. I have some eggplants, some banana blossoms, long beans, and then the cheese, the blueberry vanilla. I have to. This is good till August 31st. And then inside we got apples. I got the red bell pepper, carrots, and then the baby carrots. Okay. And in this corner we have some bread here. High fiber bread. And then I have my secret, ta-da, dried fish to you. That's where I hide them. And then I have a garlic aioli, and then my sambal, favorite hot sauce, and oh, there's the bay leaves behind. Bay leaves. And then this empty container was from Unit Nutrition. I use this for running because there's like a measurement, like each mile, 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles. It's for, but it's empty now, but I like using it for this, for my Powerade. So I put my Powerade there. And then here is the jams and the fruit spread. I got the wild blueberry. I got banana spread. And the one I made, the guava jelly, if you've seen my video on this one. And behind it, I have the classic guacamole for snacks. I also have a corn there, whole kernel corn. And then we have this Filipino, ta-da, sauteed shrimp paste, the ginisang bagoong. And then I have lots of deadly weapons here. This is called bagoong alamang, the soy milk, the tiny, you know that, the tiny salted shrimp. And then in this side, I have my Shaka drink, which is 100% plant-based, coconut water. And then I have my wheat dough, because I want to make pizza sometime. And then the Powerade, because I run a lot, or when I do biking, this is what I drink. And then ketchup, which is not supposed to be here, but Travis likes his ketchup cold. I don't like it there. My ketchup, I put them in the storage right there. That's where my ketchup is. So, down here are the organic soy milk, and then organic orange juice for Travis, and the Ripple plant-based pea milk. Pea, because it's made of pea protein. Yeah. And then we have Scotch's food home from the farmer's dog. And then I have the spring roll wrap. I have some beer that I don't really drink beer, but maybe if we have some visitors, who knows? Or if I'm upset, I will drink that. And basically that's it. Oh no, actually we still have here. I call this my miscellaneous section because it's like a whole bunch of like raisins. I have the tomato paste. I have some basil paste. I have this what do you call this? I got this from Filipino party. It's like nilupak, and then I have some hemp seeds. I even have Goldilocks pulveron here, and then walnut pieces, and on top this is the butter section, the chocolate, and the cheese. I eat a lot of cheese, especially when I'm running. So I have this sage cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese. I got this unsalted butter. I haven't opened that yet because I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. And this was from Lisa Caldo. It's still here. And then the plant butter, which I use for cooking sometimes. And then I have another cheese. Of course, guess what? It's another cheddar wild Wisconsin cheese. I like this. It's orangey because they have annatto seeds extract in here. That's why it's not like, you know, the other cheese. This one, I have another cheese. I have cheddar cheese, still from Trader Joe. And then I have this dark chocolate from Trader Joe. And then this one too, another chocolate from Panama. This is so good. It's fair trade chuga. So there you go. So basically that's what's inside my refrigerator. Now let's go to the freezer. What do we have here? Ta-da! Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. I have my frozen meatless farm ground, and then an oat fudge brownie. This is vegan from Travis. Another frozen food for Scotcha. Oops, this thing just came in. Look, it just packed on June 14, 2021. So this is still new. This is from our baby boy, Scotty. Excuse me. That's his food. And then I have a brioche ensaimada. Boom. And then I have some dog treat for Scotty. It's from Ben & Jerry's. It's his desserts. Fancy dog. Spoiled. And then I have my durian bars. I have a shrimp seafood burger. I love that. And then another plant-based ozo. I like this too. It's good for tacos. And then this is Travis Country Fried Chicken, courtesy of Vestro. Hi Vestro. Bistro. Vestro. And then some ice, and then another plant ground protein from Light Life. Like that. And then I have some acai superfood packs when I make smoothies. So this is what I use. And then down below, oh my god, this is a lot. So I have some banana leaves. I just kept them here in case I need them in the future. And then I got some Beyond Meat sausage. Another bistro from Travis. And then I have some frozen bread. This is the best muffins. It's from local Vermont in Rutland, Vermont. And then I have a purple yam cubes. Look, purple yam cubes. This is Scotty's ice cream. I have beefless tips. It's not beef, but it's beefless. And then I have another bread from Ozering. Morning rounds. So this bag, it's done. And then I have tiger sugar. Oh, I also have the purple yam here, right there. And then another frozen bread. It's an 8-grain 3-seed bread. So if you want to keep your bread longer, then put them in the freezer. And I have some gnocchi, my favorite, one of my favorite, for pasta or whenever I feel like cooking. And then I have some beetroot wedges, perfect for sides. You can just bake that or grill or blend it. And then I have a saba, full steam saba banana. I have some leftover fish. I have some, what's in here? I have some pizza, thin crust pizza, and then I have some frozen mango. And some frozen veggie, snap fry, and then some frozen cut okra. So that's it for that side. Now we go here. I have some Tomlin Aloha Kale smoothie. It's frozen, but you can just defrost that. This is really good. And then I have a Ben & Jerry's Netflix and chilled non-dairy frozen dessert. I haven't opened this yet. So I will eat that when we're watching movie or when I'm sad or when I'm sick. And then I have some suman sa cassava. And then more berries for smoothie. And then look, guess what we have here? Oh my god, I can't believe. If you have seen my mukbang, you will see this there, my mukbang video. This is from Lisa Caldo again. I love her banana bread. And I kept it at the freezer because I want to eat that one day. And then I also have some sliced peaches. And then, tada! Our favorite, ube makapuno. Boom. So, that's it. Basically, that's all we have here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Ciao!